everyone. It's time for Little Learners, Early Literacy for Birth through 5 years. And I'm Miss Tara from the Chattanooga Public Library. Today we're going to make a rainbow paper plate. So first we're going to get all our material. You're going to need a paper plate. You can either use crayons, markers, color pencils, or paint. You're going to need glue. And you're going to need about 6 cotton balls. So once you have all your items, you're going to take your plate and you're going to fold it in half. And then once you fold it in half, you're going to get your scissors and you're going to cut it. And then you're going to have a half a plate. And then you're going to take either your crayons, your markers, your color pencils, or your paint, and you're going to color lines of whatever color you want your rainbow to be. This is your rainbow, so it can be any color that you like. And then once you get through with coloring, you're going to take your cotton balls and you're going to place them on the side. You're going to place 3 on this side, and you're going to place 3 on that side. And you're going to use glue, of course, to glue them on. And once you're done, it should look something like this. And the colors I used were red, orange, yellow, green, and blue. So, just a fun little activity to do at home with your parents. Make sure that you get adult supervision if you're using scissors. And everyone have fun. See you soon.